In this video, we will be having a look at the equation of the photosynthesis. So, first of all, we will be understanding that what is photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is a process by which plant make its own food with the help of sunlight. By requiring the sunlight, plant makes its own food. Like plants is a autotrophic plants are the autotrophic that makes its food by its own cell by the help of the sunlight. So that is why the photosynthesis is the process by which the plant, the upper part of the plant, get the sunlight and makes its food, like makes its fruit of food, makes its food. Okay, so yeah, makes its food by the help of the sunlight. By utilizing the sunlight, the plants make its food, so that is known as photosynthesis. So now we will be having a look at I'm gonna share the picture over here. Let's so like, as you can see that this is the the plant cell. This is the plant cell, and here this is the like chloroplast. Yes, this cell is like the chloroplast. Let me write. Chloro This is the chloroplast. So as you can see, the carbon dioxide is going in. What? The carbon dioxide is going in, okay, by the air. Then the water is going in, of course, in the cell. By the result, the glucose is coming out. And what glucose is doing? Like glucose is for the growth. What glucose do? It stores the starch in the form of the cellulose, and then here the oxygen is being released out. So what is the purpose of the glucose? Glucose is for the respiration, means it stores the energy. Like as we know that air is the ATP is the energy currency. ADP is the energy currency for this process. The glucose means the glucose stores energy, and respiration is the process by which plant takes in the animal takes in oxygen and plant take out uh, the oxygen. Okay, plant give us the oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. So this is like these two are the reactants. These two are what? These two are the reactants. Okay, these two are the reactants, and these this what do we say, glucose and oxygen, these two are the result. That mean these two are product. These two are what? These two are the product. Okay, so now I'm gonna share the picture. I'm gonna share the picture so that like the equation must be clear to us. Okay, this is the chemical equation of the photosynthesis. Here as you can see, these two are as the reactant. These two are as the reactant. Okay, these two are as the reactant, means we are carbon dioxide is giving by the atmosphere. Okay, and water we the plants are being absorbed by the soil. So these are the reactant. In the reactant, the glucose is formed and the oxygen is formed, that is being released to the air in the atmosphere, air to us for our betterment, and the glucose is for making the starch and the what do we say, yes, cellulose. for the storement of the energy, or it is for the growth of the plant. So here, as we know that now the equation is not balanced over here, so what we gonna do, we gonna add to balance. Like here, as you can see here, at this point, the carbon of the glucose contain 6 carbon. Glucose contains 6 carbon. Okay, 6 carbon glucose contain, but here carbon is 1. So what we gonna do for balancing the equation, we're gonna add the 6 over here. Let me write the 6 over here, another 6 over this water, and the 6 over here. So as you can see, now the equation is being balanced. Let me write after the balancing. CO2 plus 6H2, in the result C6H12O6 plus oxygen 6 molecules are being formed. So this is how we have balanced our equation. Carbon are now 6, carbon are now 6, carbon are now like 6 carbon, 6 carbon, 6 water molecule, 6 here glucose carbon molecule, and these 6 oxygen molecule. So this oxygen, as I told you, that this oxygen will be released in the air for us. The glucose will be for the plants, for the betterment of the plants, and this water will be going in the roots, and the CO2 will be for the plant as well, because plant respire by the do photosynthesis and they respire by the CO2. So this is how the equation, this was the before and this is after. Okay, I hope that is clear now.